Hi, it's me again, Hi Dear Grower. Now this time around I'm going to show you how to sketch a cylinder, right? Now the cylinder is formed by two circles on top and bottom, and when we look at the circle at an angle, it becomes like an ellipse. So we're just drawing two ellipses, and after that you just rough in the vertical line on the side, and that forms an ellipse. Very simple. Now, what you need to watch out for a cylinder is this: the short axis on top is ellipse, and the short axis at the bottom ellipse. They are slightly different. Alright, this is shorter than this. Okay, so that perspectively the object looks alright. Of course, when I say perspectively it looks alright, meaning to say that our line of sight, the way that we are looking at this cylinder, maybe our line of sight is somewhere here. Right? Our line of sight somewhere there. That means our eyes may be looking at the ellipse from this angle, so that we can see the top and then the bottom. Right? So practice drawing cylinders. Okay. For example, let me just show you again the top and the bottom and two sides. Sketching, right? Sketch it. Or you can have a shorter cylinder. So you can darken the ink. And I think it's a very straightforward object. The only difficulty perhaps here is to draw the two ellipses and the two straight lines on the side. So you just have to keep practicing it. Right? So for example, I rough in the side, and I rough in the side, and that forms the cylinder. And of course you can kind of darken the front and the side, and maybe you can also do a bit of shading. Of course, shading I'm going to talk about it in subsequent video clips. Right? But this is just to kind of give it a little touch. Or you can have a contour line that goes this way. Yeah, and that forms the ellipse. Continue to sketch, right? Continue to sketch the cylinder. Sorry, I don't mean the ellipse, but continue to sketch the cylinder with the top ellipse and the bottom ellipse and the side. Right? Sketch as many as you possibly can. The more the merrier. And keep sketching it. Continue practicing it. The more practice you have it, the better you are. Okay? That's it. I'll see you again in the next video clip.